least 3 different ways of forgetting. The first is what happens when a memory fades over time, so-called passive obsolescence, a term you will probably forget. This may happen because the connections between brain cells gradually weaken over time, or perhaps the memory's still there, but you might lose the triggers, sights, sounds, smells you need to retrieve it. Another idea says memories could theoretically last forever, but when the same neurons get used in other memories, this interference disrupts the original memory. This slow fade type of forgetting happens to all of us eventually. A second type of forgetting, targeted forgetting, happens at night while we sleep. This is when we clear out random, useless tidbits of information that we've learned during the day and erase outdated memories. For example, if yesterday you thought the Earth was, say, a flat disk supported by 3 elephants, and today you learn that the Earth is round, your brain needs to purge one of these contradictory ideas, hopefully the one about the elephants. In certain stages of sleep, we trim and prune connections between cells and erase unneeded memory circuits. The third type of forgetting is motivated forgetting, something we all wish we could do for one thing or another. This is when a person intentionally suppresses unpleasant memories. Forgetting on purpose is a way to regulate our emotions and to focus on what needs to be done in the present instead of getting lost in negative memories of the past. We may need motivated forgetting to maintain our self-image, to maintain confidence, to stay optimistic about the future, or to be able to maintain relationships with people who have hurt us. We don't know exactly how motivated forgetting happens, but part of our brain seems to step in and block the troubling memory from being retrieved, so that even though it's still somewhere in our brain, eventually we can't find it. Our brains have so many ways to forget because forgetting is one of the most important things we do. Forgetting allows us to move past traumatic life events. In fact, PTSD may be a problem where someone simply remembers too much. Forgetting also allows us to clear out junk. Imagine every sight, sound, smell, and piece of information your brain processes every day. If our brains didn't sweep out the garbage every night, we would soon overflow our neural networks with random useless trivia, just like Sherlock Holmes predicted. We also wouldn't be able to replace things that are no longer true with better information and update our mental models of the world.